How to fix iPhone green line problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that if the green line on your screen is a hardware issue or the software issue. If it's a software issue, then you can try to force restart your iPhone. So simply force restart by pressing up and releasing the volume up button and then pressing and releasing the volume down button and then holding and releasing the power button until Apple logo appears. See if force restarting your iPhone helps in fixing the issue or not, and if not, then in settings tap on accessibility and then on display and text size. Here go ahead and enable color filters and then try different filters and see if that helps in fixing, and if not, then it is definitely a hardware issue. You can also confirm if it's a hardware issue or not by simply taking the screenshot of your screen and then viewing it on another iPhone. If the green line appears in the screenshot, then it is the GPU or display pipeline, so you might need to take your Apple iPhone to a certified Apple service center and ask them for OLED panel replacement. Only this can help you fix your issue if it's a hardware issue. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.